for today's video, mag-skates data. Let's go on our skate. So skates put are done. Let's go. To prove that I already put my skates. There you go. There. Okay. So today, this is my Dada. Say hi. And then this is our hallway outside. It's kind of rough to skate, but I got this. 10 times or 20 times I really skate here. Like this there. And then there's a slide right there. Skate here. This is the slide. Yeah, this is the slide that I'm gonna slide through just to go past the other side. So guys, we're gonna go through that hallway over there and then go back here to the house. So guys, let's go back to the house, and then this is gonna be a short video, so it's almost done, but that's okay. Okay, we're back to the house, and then I want to say that please subscribe and like and comment to the video. Bye!